You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is v equals -8/9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the v. Multiply both sides by 45v plus 40. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 24 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the v. Divide both sides by 27. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is v equals -8/9.